everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. Welcome back to Colorful Creations. If it's your first time here, I post every Sunday and Thursday. So if you choose to subscribe, just hit that little bell notification so you get notified whenever I post one, so you don't miss it. So today's a little extra one. I'm doing a little giveaway for hitting 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. So I did this 2 weeks ago. And I wanted to give 2 weeks for people to comment, and that's your chance to enter. I'm gonna do a draw on all the names who commented. I mean, except I gotta go through them and try to make sure that no one's from outside Canada and the United States, because it's just open to Canada and the United States this time, just because of shipping costs and all that. And maybe next time we'll go further. We'll see. So I'm gonna put resin on this. And then tomorrow I'm gonna do the draw, and then I'll finish editing the video and post it. And this will be on Sunday. I'm really excited to find out who the winner is, so we'll see. All right, the resin is on. It looks amazing. It's probably a little bit of a glare in here. I'll show you this outside. Let's go see this outside. Isn't that pretty? So I have I printed out all the comments. I'm not really sure how to do this. If someone knows a better way of doing a draw like this, please let me know in the comments. This is my first time, so I printed them all out, and I probably should have asked you all to say where you're from, since it's only open to Canada and the States. But that's fine. A lot of people did, and then the ones that were from away, I just didn't write a number down, so I gave everyone a number. Oops, can't pick this up. Okay, I numbered all the ones that I think are eligible, and I'm gonna do a draw. I downloaded an app that will just randomly pick a number, and then I'll just see the name that's next to the number and announce that one. I'm gonna draw 2 names, like a first and second, because if it turns out the first one is from somewhere else, then I'll go to the second one. Or maybe I won't be able to get a hold of them, or for whatever reason. So I'm gonna draw 2. All right. Okay, so I have 23 names here. So I gotta go into this app. I just downloaded it. I tried it out once just to, so I don't know. I put in, I gotta do a min number and a max number. So 1 to 23. And I'll just say one result. So I'll do the first place and the second place after that. So if you can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna press get random. And number 7. Okay, now let's see. All right, so it's down here. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna try not to butcher this name. Oh boy, the Sajef, possibly. Thesajeffe. I was going to ask what happens when your arms get tired, but it looks like it's okay to pause for a few seconds if necessary. I love the colors, pick me. You can see this one. So that's the first place one. So I want this person to send me an email at colorfulcanvascreationsplus@gmail.com. I'll put that on the screen, and I'll put it in the description below. So please email me and give me your address if you still want it, of course. And I will, if I don't hear from you in a couple days, I'll try to reach out. So okay, so now let's pick number 2. This is the runner up. So we gotta do this same thing again. I'll close that. So I got 1 to 23. So I guess if I pick that one again, we'll just have to redo it. Right, make sense? So we got 1 to 23. Get started. Dum dum. 15. Who is number 15? It is on the bottom of this one. Okay, it is, nice name. If the first name's Sarah, I can say that one. Oh boy, I'm gonna say this so wrong. Fucula? I don't know if I should even say that. I'm sure, maybe it's Fucula. I'm really sorry, Sarah, that I butchered your name. It's Fukala. I'm not sure how to say that one. Really sorry. It says, congrats on the 1,000 subscribers. I love your work. So you are the second place. So if I can't get a hold of the first one, or the first one is from somewhere other than Canada and the States, then I will contact you. And hopefully you are from Canada or the States. All right, so there it is. So I'll ask both of those to email me at the address I can't even say my own email, isn't that terrible? colorfulcanvascreationsplus@gmail.com. And you'll be winning this. And I will send it to you by probably courier. All right, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. I will have one posted early morning on Thursday. See you then. Thanks for watching.